In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a Kajabi landing page step by step. Whether you're updating your content or simply cleaning up your digital presence, knowing how to unpublish a landing page can be really helpful. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to sign into your Kajabi account. Head over to the Kajabi website and enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll see various options here, but for now, let's focus on finding the Website tab. Go ahead and click on Website. This is where all your site building activities are managed. With the Website menu open, locate and select Landing Pages. This section gives you an overview of all the landing pages you've created. It's like your landing page command center, where you can see and manage everything related to your landing pages. Scroll through this list to find the specific page you wish to unpublish. If you have many pages, Kajabi makes it easy by allowing you to use the search function to quickly pinpoint the page you're looking for. Once you've found it, hover over the page title. You'll notice a More Options menu, often represented by 3 dots, or directly click into the page editor. Now, let's move into the phase of unpublishing your landing page. Click into the page editor if you haven't already. When you're inside, direct your eyes to the top right corner of the editor. Look closely for the Publish Unpublish toggle. This toggle is crucial because it controls the visibility of your landing page. Once you find it, simply switch the toggle to Unpublished. Switching this toggle effectively means your page will no longer be accessible to the general public. Visitors won't be able to view the content on this page anymore, making it an ideal approach when you don't want your audience to access certain information. Think of it as a curtain coming down on a stage. The audience won't see what's happening behind it until you decide to raise it once more. And there you have it. Unpublishing a landing page on Kajabi is a straightforward task once you know where to navigate and what buttons to click. Remember, you can always return and publish the page again when you're ready. By managing the visibility of your landing pages efficiently, you maintain control over your online content presentation. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you're eager to learn more about managing your Kajabi platform or other tips and tricks, feel free to check our other videos. Thanks for watching and have